Hi, I'm Xinlei Chen, presenting Masked Autoencoders are Scalable Vision Learners. This is done by Kaiming, Xinlei, Sainin, Yang Hao, Piotr, and Ross. In this work, we focus on self-supervised representation learning, which has revolutionized NLP in recent years. Notably, masked autoencoding in BERT and autoregressive modeling in GPT both hold out parts of the data and learn to predict the missing content in order to pre-train useful representations. Such a simple idea turned out to be very effective and scalable, leading to significant progress using models with hundreds of billions of parameters. In this regard, computer vision is lagging behind. To close the gap, we introduce Masked Autoencoder, or MAE. It is a very simple self-supervised learning method with a BERT-like algorithm based on masking, but with crucial designs for computer vision. It also shows BERT-like behavior on images, particularly on scalability. So how does MAE work? Given an image, we first divide it into patches and then perform random masking. We only keep the visible patches and feed them into an encoder, which will encode patches into a sequence of embeddings. Then, we pad mask tokens to the sequence so that it is full sequence length again. Finally, we use a decoder to reconstruct the input image from the sequence and train the model with mean squared error. Despite the simplicity, MAE works really well. For example, given an 80% masked bus image, MAE can have a good guess, even though it has not been trained with category labels and has never seen this image before. Here is the ground truth. Note that MAE can get the shape of the bus even if the top is heavily masked. With different ratios, MAE can depict different but all reasonable scenes. This suggests that MAE is not just memorizing, it can also generalize depending on the input. We also find that MAE understands better as the training goes, as shown in these examples. Beyond reconstructing pixels, MAE also learns powerful representations which can then transfer to downstream tasks. Next, we report important analyses which have guided our MAE design. First is mask ratio. BERT uses 15%. In MAE, we find a much higher ratio is beneficial, likely due to the information density gap between the two domains. Second is mask token. BERT places them in the encoder. However, we find removing mask token from the encoder is both faster and better for MAE. For data augmentation, we find MAE is not sensitive and can even work with minimal recipes. This is drastically different from contrastive learning, where augmentations are often essential. Like BERT, MAE is scalable. For example, here is a plot showing the model size versus accuracy on ImageNet 1K classification. In original VIT, model scaling fails on ImageNet 1K due to overfitting. Even with the strong regularizations, the problem is still not solved, and the accuracy saturates. MAE pre-training scales much better. The gap on VIT-B is not so salient, but it becomes 4% better with VIT Edge. Thanks to MAE, we establish a state-of-the-art on ImageNet 1K with no use of extra data, 87.8%. The scalability also generalizes to 5 large-scale classification tasks for ImageNet robustness evaluations, beating state-of-the-art on all of them, sometimes with huge margins. Beyond the classification, we also benchmarked MAE on COCO object detection and AD20K semantic segmentation. For both, we observe healthy trends on scalability. In sum, we present MAE, a scalable, simple, and effective approach for self-supervised visual representation learning. It uses a BERT-like algorithm and exhibits BERT-like behaviors. Our code is made available online, and welcome to poster session 4.1, 1A for more details.